From the beautiful province of Quezon, Barangay Kalumpang, Tayabas City, let us all discover one-of-a-kind unforgettable adventure here at Mother's Wonderland.
Live the life, see the lights, build up, she all like that tonight, let it shine, oh yeah right, we're going up higher tonight, shine like joy, yeah, on my way, hold tight, we'll dance all day, where the city shines so bright, know me under neon lights, oh, oh.
Kung manggagaling kayong Manila, it will take 4 to 5 hours. Kung Lucena City to Tayabas City naman, approximately 20 to 30 minutes. Also, meron din silang available na parking lot for cars and motorcycle with parking fee. Mother's Wonderland soft opening rate for the adults is 950 and for the kids naman 500 pesos. Automatically, you will get a free 500 membership privilege card upon entry. You can also check out Mother's Wonderland official Facebook page for the updates and book online. As per attendance, ito yung hotel na under construction pa. Meron din silang available na shuttle kung saan pwedeng sumakay yung mga guest. They also have a tourist guide na mag-e-explain sa atin ng mga magagandang pwede nating puntahan, ang 7 wonders of Mother's Wonderland. First is the Gaia's Palace, second is the Magical Hillside, third Animal Rendezvous, fourth Aquatica, fifth Cinque Terre Culinaria, sixth Alhambra Kingdom, and seventh Dagat Gubat. Beside the beautiful places, I also appreciate kung gaano ka-friendly and approachable yung mga staff nila. As in, from the moment na pumasok ka dun sa entrance nila, nakangiti na agad yung mga staff, even the cleaners and the dancers, pag nakasalubong ka nila, they always greet the guest. Mahilig ka rin bang magpa-picture? Naghahanap ng places for your next pictorial? Nature lover ka ba? Sobrang highly recommended itong Mother's Wonderland. Now, let's have a quick break here in Saberiana Cafe at Tablia. They offer affordable drinks like coffee and pastries. Coffee lover ka ba? A very cozy and relaxing place for you. Availability of bathrooms in different areas. Beside the mesmerizing attractions, this is recommended for your family and friends, wherein you will enjoy the different plants and flowers all over the park. Up here, makikita nyo ng malapitan at pwede rin kayo magpa-picture dun sa dragon. Pwede kayong umakyat dun sa dalawang tower niya sa gilid and enjoy the view. Now we're here at Alhambra Kingdom, the museum, kung saan makikita natin yung mga nagagandahang art collection, function hall for weddings, birthdays, and seminars. Sa underground, meron pa kayong maraming makikita mga statue kagaya nila Medusa, captivating paintings, Egyptian statues, at marami pang iba. Dinosaurs, meron din silang iba't ibang replika nito sa kabilang side. makulay na lugar naman ito ay ang tinatawag nilang Fifth Wonders, ang Cinque Terre Culinaria na merong restaurant sa loob. Are you already in love with the view? Come early to have full experience of Mother's Wonderland. Ngayon, nandito naman tayo sa tinatawag nilang Bar Co, kung saan meron silang siniserve na alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. And Aquatica na merong carousel and swimming pool, activities for the kids like basketball and playgrounds. Horseback riding na pinipilahan ng karamihan. Meron din silang available boats at pwede rin kayong bumili ng mga pakain sa isda. Magical Hillside na merong available na mga board games, activity books for the kids, games, and television, and available na maraming seats for the guests. Around 4 p.m., tinawag na nila ang mga guests para maupo at manood ng inaabangang dance performance nila. Are you already planning to visit Mother's Wonderland? Free up your phone's memory dahil sobrang daming pictures na magaganda ang masisave nyo. Now, let's all enjoy the beautiful scenery up here at Gaya's Palace. Meron din silang golf kung saan may enjoy nyo sa napakalawak na area nila. And this is the beautiful view of Mother's Wonderland around 5:30 p.m. Around 6 o'clock p.m. nagsimula na ang dance performance o pasasalamat finale na inaabangan ng lahat, kung saan makikita natin ang makukulay at naggagandahang mga costumes ng ating mga dancers. Kasama na rin dyan syempre ang magagaling na singers na staff ng Mother's Wonderland.
Shine like joy, yeah, I'm on my way. Hold tight, we'll dance all day. Where the city shines so bright. Know me under neon lights. Oh, oh, Chigorja.
Iba't ibang mga magagandang costumes at pinaghanda ang dance performance ang pinamalas nila, kasama na rin dyan ang makapigil hiningang fire dancing.
City lights, city lights, city lights. No, she ever be got us up, dance all night. Oh, yeah, right. We're lit the light, we're lit the light. City lights, city lights. Build up, she all like that tonight. Let it shine. Oh, yeah, right. We're going up higher tonight. Want to move?
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야.
Naghahanap ba kayo ng bagong pasyalan kasama ang inyong mga kaibigan o kapamilya? Tara at puntahan natin ang isa na namang natatangi at napakagandang lugar na Mother's Wonderland. Dito lang yan sa Quezon Province.
I'm going crazy.